I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Bridge to cull photos. First, open Adobe Bridge and locate the folder containing your images. The goal of culling is to efficiently sort through your shots, identifying the keepers and discarding the less successful ones. This process saves valuable time and disk space, ensuring you only work with your best material. Next, we'll dive into rating and labeling. Assign star ratings from 1 to 5 to quickly mark your favorites. For instance, a 5-star rating could signify a top-tier image. Additionally, use color labels like red for rejects or green for selects to visually categorize your photos. These tools are essential for a streamlined workflow. Once your photos are rated and labeled, filtering and sorting become incredibly powerful. You can filter to view only your 5-star images or all photos marked with a green label. Sorting by rating or capture time helps organize your view. Consider creating collections to group images for specific projects, keeping your workflow highly organized and efficient. Finally, after making your selections, it's time to manage your files. Delete unwanted images to free up disk space. You can then move your chosen photos to a dedicated Edits folder, preparing them for further processing in other applications. Alternatively, export a selection of photos for sharing with clients or for secure backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.